The Industry 4.0 digital revolution has changed industrial control systems forever. Modernization and connectivity, with the fast-improving science of automation, have become essential to production and workflow efficiency. However, these same improvements in automation and the Internet also create new, fast-changing cyber threats. If every piece of complex equipment on your network is connected, they can be completely annihilated by a hacker attack. Traditional machines must be separated from each other to guard against infection and many other cyber threats. TX1 Adaptive Cybersecurity for ICS Shop Floor Protection. TX1 offers a complete solution for security inspection in 2 different USB form factors for security auditing and secure data transportation. Trend Micro Portable Security 3 comes in both standard and professional editions to provide effortless security for air-gapped ICS environments. Trend Micro Portable Security 3 requires no software installation to perform antivirus scanning. In addition, Trend Micro Portable Security 3 Professional Edition even provides high-speed hardware encrypted storage for secure file transfer. Even better, all cybersecurity information can be reported to the central console, creating convenience and flexibility for your cybersecurity. Right now, TX1 is in the process of integrating AI. Through self-learning, systems will be able to create superior self-defense and provide resolutions adapted to each situation. Choose us. We provide you with the perfect solution. Adaptive cybersecurity for ICS shop floor protection. In the era of digital transformation, digital cybersecurity must also transform.